Good morning, Sadang Arif and friends. Before I begin the topic, let me to introduce myself. I am Yudi Firmansyah. You can call me Sion. I studied at Podomoro University during its entrepreneurship program. Today, I want to talk about coronavirus disease or COVID-19. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease by a newly discovered coronavirus in Wuhan, China. Coronavirus originates from the coronavirus which causes disease ranging from the common cold to more severe ones such as Middle East syndrome or MERS-CoV, and severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS-CoV. And for your information, the global pandemic indicates a COVID-19 infection that is so fast that almost no country or region in the world is absent from the coronavirus. An increase the number of cases occurred in a short time so that it needed treatment as soon as possible. Until now, there has been no specific drug to deal with cases of coronavirus infection. Currently, there are 67.5 million cases recorded worldwide, with 43.5 million patients recovering and 1.54 million patients dying. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, there were 187,000 cases, with 183,000 patients recovering and 80,000 patients dying. So, how can how can someone be said to have contracted the coronavirus? A person can be said to be infected if they have some of the symptoms they cause. However, there is someone who does not have symptoms which are commonly called OTG. The following are the symptoms caused by the coronavirus, and the most common symptoms are: number one is fever, number two is dry cough, number three is tiredness. Mm, there are also serious symptoms such as: number one is difficulty breathing or shortness of breath, number two, loss of speech or movement, number three is chest pain or pressure. People with mild symptoms who are otherwise healthy should manage their symptoms at home. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. How to prevent coronavirus or COVID-19 infection and slow the spread? To prevent infection and to slow transmission of coronavirus or COVID-19, you must do the following. Number one is wash your hand. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water or hand sanitizer. Number two is maintain at least 1 meter distance and people coughing or sneezing. Number three is avoiding touching your face. Number four is stay home if you feel unwell. Number five is refrain from smoking and other activities that weaken the lungs. And the last is practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel and staying away from large group of people. People must start living healthy and pay more attention to their respective immune systems, and always maintain cleanliness wherever they are. And in this discussion, I share information about the symptoms that arise and how to prevent spread. I hope the public shouldn't underestimate this coronavirus because of its dangerous effects. And I think that's all my speech, and thank you for your kind attention to my speech.